Follow our guide on how to earn money on YouTube in 5 easy steps. How to monetize YouTube and get rich now. Let's get started. It's super easy and can earn you thousands. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is a way for YouTube creators to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. To join the program, your channel must meet certain eligibility requirements. Minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours in the past 12 months. 2. Create sponsored content. Sponsored content is a way for brands to pay you to create videos promoting their products or services. 3. Sell merchandise. Another method is selling merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, and mugs, through your YouTube channel. You can use a platform like Teespring or Printful to create and sell your merchandise. 4. Offer services or products. If you have a skill or expertise, you can offer services or products related to your niche. For example, if you have a cooking channel, you could offer cooking classes or sell a cookbook. 5. Use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You can include affiliate links in your video descriptions and earn a commission whenever someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like or visit the site for daily methods.